Hey! Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie if you're new, and as you can see we are in a totally different setting than in any of my other videos. We are at my boyfriend's cottage house. I actually spent here so much more time than I show on any of my other videos, and actually I haven't told you this as well, but I graduated my school. I graduated from college with all A's, so I finally finished my studies after 22 years, which is crazy. But yeah, because of that we also been having a lot more time that we could spend outside of the town, and pretty much every chance we get we just come here and spend it here. So yeah, I kind of wanted to show you this side of my life, which I never really show because I don't think it's like the trendy lifestyle that everybody wants to see. But yeah, it's a big part of my life and I love it here so much. It actually kind of feels like second home. Also, I'll be probably spending the majority of summer here. I still will come back to town because my sister's coming back, and then I also have some other trips planned outside of the Republic. But yeah, pretty much the majority of summer I'm gonna spend here, so stay tuned for some more cottagecore content. Let's enjoy a cottagecore day together. I will start with some breakfast and then we will go grocery shopping to the tiny town that we have here. I cleaned the dishes again, but yeah, we're ready to go grocery shopping. It's probably like the biggest event of today, going grocery shopping. River, my baby. This is it, center of the town. Decided that we're gonna go mushroom picking, which sounds so fake, but I absolutely love mushroom picking. I've been like that since I was a little kid. I cannot wait. I think we're gonna try them and then I'll make them into like a Italian mushroom risotto. But yeah, let's go to the woods. Mushroom basket. Yeah. I think it's too dry for mushrooms. They're bitter. Okay, we just got home and surprise, surprise, we didn't find a single mushroom. It was raining a couple days ago, so that's why I thought that we would be lucky. Also, Vojta found so many mushrooms like a week ago, so I thought that they were gonna last. But yeah, we definitely enjoyed the walk. I'm like all messed up. I'm gonna go make some lunch for us. I think I'm gonna make a chicken wok. But yeah, I'm so happy. I'm like all sweaty and like, anyways, let's go cook. Hey.
I love you, Maraczku. Hi.
I will. Also, I decided to do a new thing. I started a new TikTok and it's basically just for my recipes. Again, I know that this is not something that I really share on my channel, but I'm a big cook and I absolutely love cooking, and I've been basically trying to film every single day, both lunch and dinner. So yeah, I'm gonna skip the cooking part in this video and I'm gonna go film it for my TikTok, and if you would want to support me there, I would be absolutely the most grateful person on this planet. But yeah, I'm gonna go cook and I'm gonna show you the finished product, but if you want to see the recipe, just click the link in my bio and that's it. Of course, I forgot to film it. So this is the picture, this is how it looked. How is it, baby?
Baby, it's absolutely delicious, like all your foods. Spicy enough, juicy enough.
You're doing product placement?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
because I would love to be sponsored by people that are going to say that, yeah.
So yeah, we're gonna eat and then we'll probably have like a afternoon siesta. Yeah, a very productive day, as you can see. we had our little siesta. It turned into, yeah, we had a 2-hour long siesta, okay? But yeah, I kind of feel like a rotten egg because I feel like we haven't really done anything today yet. So we decided that we're gonna work out because I also haven't worked out in so long because I was, you know, finishing my school as I told you. So I was studying a lot and I just completely stopped going to the gym. I really want to feel good in my body again for the summer because like now I kind of feel like I gained a lot of weight even though I didn't. It's just like, you know, because I don't work out, I don't feel good about myself. So long story short, let's go work out. So we've been just relaxing. I realized that it's quite hard to film here and to make the video interesting because most of the things we do is just laying, which obviously is not very entertaining for you guys. But yeah, so that's what we're doing now. I think we were laying in the garden for half an hour and the workout was like 10 minutes. I think that just perfectly sums up how productive we are here. But I mean, it's fine. It's the summer holiday and I feel like I cannot, you know, I sort of feel bad when I'm relaxing, so I have to stop feeling bad. That being said, I really want to go out and pick some flowers because I want to make like a flower centerpiece for the dining table. So yeah, I'm going to take you with me to the field and I'm going to go pick some flowers. Okay, here we go. Did you see him? Oh, look at these. Oh my god, look how many of these. So pretty. I just found these blue ones or like purple ones. I didn't want to take all of them because they're so delicate and I want to leave something for the bees. But this is so beautiful. Look at all of these flowers. I don't know if you can see them all, but there's so many. I kind of really like these. They're kind of like red. There are also these yellow ones. Okay, this is also really pretty. Guys, this is looking absolutely gorgeous and I've been just doing this for like, I don't know, 5 minutes. I have never seen this flower in my life. Oh my god, look at these. And then all of these. Okay guys, this is the finished product. I think I'm gonna leave the rest for everybody else. I can't believe all of this grows right in front of our noses and we don't really like pay attention to it because this is just, oh, I cannot. We stopped at like our local bar or like a pub and now I'm gonna cook myself some dinner because Vojta's not hungry, so I think he's just gonna have like a snack. But I'm gonna make some spaghetti pomodoro and I'm again gonna film it on my TikTok, so make sure to check it out if you want. But yeah, today was such a beautiful day. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know that it wasn't like super eventful, but I do put a lot of pressure on myself to make all of that. But yeah, I wanted to say that I do know that I put a lot of pressure on myself to make these videos like super interesting and like, you know, eventful. But that's just not how things go around here. We just chill and we try to relax.
I'm going to read some.
You're gonna read?
Yes.
A typical day in the cottage.
You can like offer it to your
This is what Vojta's gonna be reading.
Niall Ferguson, British Empire, which is one of the most interesting book of our time.
Wow.
Oh, sorry, mluvím jak debil, tomu to tam nemůžeš dát.
No, you talk amazing.
It's really beautiful.
This is the finished product. Look how beautiful it looks with the flower and the wine.